This is the week in review when we have discussed many cash flow issues affecting SMEs. And in most cases, there's a significant amount of work to be done by accountants or bookkeepers to assist your clients to navigate the difficult economic circumstances that everyone is trading in at present. And what the general highlight of these presentations in the previous 7 days has been is that SMEs need assistance from accountants in the preparation, first of all, of regular, prompt, accurate financial accounts, key performance indicators and business metrics that analyse the key details of the business operations. And I found over the years of working with executives in a public company and also many small business operators that they really understand the significance of key performance indicators because they're the figures that they're using on a day-by-day basis, whether it's yield, whether it's a percentage, whether it's a markup. And I believe that accountants need to be talking in that language to your SME clients to get a better relationship with them. Because if you were working full-time in their organisation, they would blend you into that way of communication because that's the way they understand it. And I think that that is one of the great services that accountants and bookkeepers servicing SMEs can supply to them, to present reports back to them in the language they understand. On Monday, we talked about economic conditions, and they're really changing, aren't they? There's a lot of criticism of the Australian government on their budget that's still being debated in Parliament. And we highlighted a lot of other issues that are of concern to SMEs. On Tuesday, we looked at supply chains, and supply chains are causing problems at present because of the wars in Ukraine and Iran. And this has put added pressure on SMEs who are requiring supplies to come from markets that have been affected because of the shipping delays. We then looked at the Personal Property Securities Register, which can be a benefit to business, but can be quite a disaster if your clients have not registered. On Thursday, we looked at the tightening up that's occurring with banks and with creditors and suppliers, and we need to be aware of that and communicating with our clients. On Friday, we looked at the Australian Taxation Office, who are also getting tougher to deal with. And on Saturday, we alerted you to the cash flow problems that some of your clients will probably experience with the introduction of Payday Super. I hope you enjoy your weekend, and I look forward to talking to you again on Monday. Stay safe. Goodbye.